To all of you. This is Ranjan from Smart Finance Chennai, and in this particular presentation, I am going to release the coming week trend report for Nifty and Bank Nifty using our 1SD software, one standard deviation software. So this is a product we have developed using the one standard deviation principle, first standard deviation, along with the real-time volatility estimate and all those Fibonacci ratios. So these are the key concepts behind the development of this tool. So this is the coming week level. So before I should go to the coming week level, last week also we have given one particular projections. How far it has succeeded, that I am going to explain here. So last week what we have published, you can say you can get it in our YouTube channel. So we have published that video also. So here what we have done, we have just calculated the levels on 17th and we have told that these levels will be valid from Monday to Friday. So that would be valid from 20th of December to 24th of December. So this is what we have told, 20th to 24th December. So here on Monday, market opened gap down, and in fact, one great bottom is being created, 16,400 level. So from there, it has bounced back and closed at 16,628. So this is also one of our calculated range. You can see from the NSE side here. So here I have just made it here, 16,628. 16,431. So 431 level, it has made a low, it has bounced back and closed for the last trade at 16,628. So virtually no chance it has given. There is a huge gap down opening, and that opening has provided no chance to enter the trade. In fact, those who have got a chance to enter in the second cycle level, they have capitalized some gain. So post that, it has made 814, 976, 17,059, and today being the Friday also 17,002 or 3 level it has closed. So yesterday the week high is being created 17,150. Today also this high has been Friday on 24th today it has made a high of 17,160. So this is what happened last week. In fact, no trading opportunity it has provided in the first iteration. So those who have the software, they can again regenerate these levels on Monday, since we have released on Friday. So we have not given any follow-up for that. So there is no chance to enter any trade. However, if I just compare with all those weekly low, high and close, you can say Monday closing was 16,628, Tuesday closing was 16,824, very close here to our or above the decay cluster it has closed. 976, all the downtrend it has totally engulfed and gone to the uptrend level. And uptrend level was set since the week was having a very great depth it has created. So it was not having enough energy to touch these levels. However, it has come very close near to 17,160 today, and yesterday 17,150. So all these levels are very close near to our calculation level, deviated by 5 or 10 points. So this is the levels for the yesterday. And in fact, I am also giving you a follow-up of our Gantt trend reversal date. So those who are following our YouTube channel will be knowing that every month we are giving the Gantt trend reversal date when the trend is going to change. So that this also we have given, and one follow-up video also I have given how it is WD Gantt trend reversal date 3 weeks before. In the beginning part of December we have done, and today was a trend reversal day. Today was a trend reversal day as per the GAN's study. So today it's one of the trend reversal day. So this 25th was a holiday. So I have told that 24th it is going to work out. So 23rd was a positive closing day yesterday, and today it has a gap down opening, and most part of the day it has remained gap down, though last part some recovery was there, but still negative closing also was there. So this fourth trend reversal day, so 11th trend reversal day impacted on 10th, it was a very successful trend reversal day. 13th also trend reversal day, 17th also trend reversal day. So all these trend reversal days work perfect. And only one more major trend reversal day is coming on 27th on Monday. So based on this analysis, Monday we may expect a positive opening or positive closing. So this is also one of the valid method, very good method to test the trend reversal actions. And it is purely mathematical method. Anybody can able to learn and do that. So today I am again taking you to the our coming weeks trend reversal, coming weeks trend calculations. So trend reversal date again based on high low square method, it is falling on Monday, so we can expect a gap up based on that. So gap of actions we can experience. So before going to the analysis, I just have to make one small announcement here. So we are running the Christmas Day offer on all our products. So you can procure all our courses and softwares. So it's having some 6 different unique courses. Courses means all these courses are in the practical point of view. And you will be getting all our softwares for a use of 1 year. So this course comes at a course and software comes at a price tag of 17,700, including GST. Including GST. So we are also running an offer for one standard deviation software and GAN software together. So those who are buying this one standard deviation software, they'll be getting the GAN software free. So those who are buying the one standard deviation software, they will get the GAN software free, and this is valid for 25th of December. So 25th of December till that's on December 25th it is valid. December 25th, 2021. So it is valid till that point. So if you wish to have some good mathematical and proven software, you can offer. So here I am going to again explain the trend for the coming week. So we are experiencing there is a trend reversal date on 27th. So 25th, 26th are holiday. So based on the 24th action, we can expect a gap of opening and closing gap up also. So this based on that concept. If the Nifty close anytime open gap up and move above 17,071, you can purchase Nifty, buy the Nifty here. Along with that, you should hedge it with one 17,050 put option purchase. Put options purchase. So this also you can buy. So put option purchase. Buy the future along with that one 17,050 put option buy. And your stop loss for that will be 16,893, and these are your targets. These are all your targets in option. So this is your stop loss for the buy. So if the but hedging should be must, because without hedging, if you do, then most of the trades become meaningless. Without the hedging, future trades are meaningless. So same process on Monday. So if the price gives you downtrend breakout at 16,935, you must sell Nifty future along with one 16,950 call option purchase. So coming week is the expiry week. So 30th December we have the expiry. So 30th December. So we are expecting these levels. First cycle is terminating at 16,466, sorry, 17,466 in the outside and 16,539 in the downside. In between, these are the hurdle zones. 17,180 to 17,228 is hurdle zone. If this price point gives a crossover, then you can get some higher level. Same process, downside most important support zone is 16,825 to 16,778. So if this price gives you a breakdown, then you can see some further corrections till 16,500. So this is the calculations for coming week for the Nifty, and there is a trend reversal as per the gap analysis on 27th of December. So we can conclude that Monday we can expect a gap of actions based on the today's price action. Today's price action was negative, so we may expect a gap of opening on Monday. So here the Bank Nifty I am doing it calculations. So Bank Nifty 34,890 level. The future has closed Bank Nifty future. So here, if the Bank Nifty, for Bank Nifty, I have mentioned that 0.382 level only we can have a buy or sell decision. If it is crossing above 35,220, you must buy the Bank Nifty here, hedge it with one 35,200 put option purchase, and for hurdle zone is 35,425 to 569. If this hurdle zone is crossed over, then you can get higher. So same process, if the Bank Nifty fall below 34,561, then you must sell Bank Nifty along with one 34,600 call option purchase, and this will be the hurdle zone. If downside this hurdle zone is broken, you can get till 33,500. So this is the levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty for the coming week. So keep following this level. Again, I will give you a follow-up if there is no such huge gap down or gap up opening on Monday, then I will definitely give a follow-up of this video. And as per the GAN study, already I have mentioned here, in low angle and high angle, we got 4 different trend reversal day. So this is the most accurate trend reversal actions: 11th, 25th, 13th, and 18th. So all these days, this month, though there are only 4 trend reversal actions, and out of that, 3 was falling on holidays, but all the trend reversal date calculations worked perfectly this month, December. And one more major trend reversal date is falling on 27th. So I'm hopeful this is also going to work in this month. So you have to experience whether it is coming true or not. And this methods you yourself can able to learn. If you are procuring the WD GAN course, we have given a complete understanding how you can calculate those trend reversal dates. So, these calculations are completely open to all. Anybody can able to learn and practice it. So here, all these calculations you have made it public. So either you can procure the software or you yourself can learn and do the calculation. So keep watching this video, and if you like, you share with your friends and give your feedback if any in the YouTube comment section. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.